One day I had gone to officiate at a function somewhere near, where were we? Near Pan Africa Square. And these children came and entertained us. I was immediately excited, and I said they should come and perform at the CPC. And I think you saw them. And since then I've tried to give them opportunities to perform so that they are exposed. But now, about 2 months ago, they came to me and explained to me their real problem. All of them came from the ghetto, but their manager has assisted them to perform, but also to go to school. Now they have a house where they'll be living. They'll be paying out of their performances. So they perform to buy the food, to pay the rent, to pay the school fees, to pay for the trips where they're going outside. But now they really have a real problem. They have paid for a house, but they still owe 100 million shillings. When they came, I wrote to the president and asked him to support them, but I think he has not yet done so. But the deadline is December 31st. So I want to ask the honorable members of parliament, we have run into so many causes. I want us to raise, if each of us could raise 250,000 shillings, we can pay for this house and save these children.
Let's join hands and don't lose this. We kindly and humbly call upon everybody who enjoys our work and talent to help us on this cause. I believe together we can save our home. Thank you so much. We are the Chiefless Killer Kings.